Target, point of sale RAM install live demo. When you walk into the control room, you'll need to go ahead and locate the box that will have the memory in it. In this situation, we've got the box right here for us. We're going to go ahead and open up the box, and we're going to go ahead and locate the memory. And in this box, we actually have a nice platter of memory, and you'll notice that this is actually the Kingston memory. You can see it right here. It tells us, as well as right here. It tells us it's the Kingston point of sale memory. We also have additional memory that is Kingston, and so we're going to go ahead and use the memory that we need to upgrade the point of sale system, and then we'll use the NCR memory to upgrade the self-checkout systems. While on site to change out the memory and upgrade the memory on the point of sale systems, you're going to need two different keys possibly, depending on the site location and how the sleds are set up. You have the standard key right here, and then you have the wider key, and this fits into the sled. This key is a tight fit, it's a snug fit. When you slide it in, you can turn to be able to go ahead and get the front faceplate off. This key goes into the regular slot, like so, and you'll turn, and then you'll be able to remove the front faceplate. First thing that you want to do is you want to go ahead and power down the system. To do that, you're going to press the Alt Control Delete key, and you're going to go ahead and arrow over to and use the tab key to get the system to reboot. So during the reboot, go ahead and press the delete key to enter the BIOS. And then confirm the system has 4 gig. You see if this system has 4 gig, it needs to be upgraded. So now we'll go ahead and power it down by pressing the power button. And then we'll go ahead and disassemble the unit to upgrade the RAM. Go ahead and insert the key into the faceplate. Go ahead and unlock the faceplate. Use a small screwdriver or device to pry the upper right hand corner and then pull the front faceplate off. Go ahead and pull the unit out of the cabinet to be able to give enough room to reach to the back of the unit to be able to loosen the screws. Once you pull the unit far enough forward, loosen the screws, disconnect the power, and then you can pull the sled out. Power is right there. After you've loosened the screws, you may need to slide the unit back a little bit, and then you're going to go ahead and pull the sled out by grabbing the handle in the front. And then when you pull the sled out, you'll be able to pull it out just enough to where you can see the memory slots. You need to continue to pull it out. Make sure you give the cables enough slack so when you pull the sled forward, you're able to pull the sled out enough. Be sure to loosen any cables as necessary to be able to pull the sled out. So after you've loosened the cables, go ahead and pull the sled out just far enough to be able to access the memory slots. And you'll see here that we have 4 memory slots. We have 2 black and 2 blue. You'll notice that we have one 4 gig stick that's installed into the black slot. On the standard point of sale systems, we're going to take the Kingston memory and we're going to install it into the 2 black slots. Line it up on one side, slide it into the other, make sure it's lined up with the key, push it down to lock it into place. Make sure that there is no dust or anything in the memory slot. Go ahead and install it. Slide it into one side of the channel, slide it into the other, lock it into place. Once you've done that, you go ahead and slide the sled back into place. and go to the back of the unit to reattach all of the cables that you just connected. After you replace the memory, go ahead and press the power button, bring the unit back up, press the delete key to go ahead and get into the BIOS. And now we can confirm that the unit has been upgraded to 16 gig. We want to go ahead and reboot the system now and let it boot up fully, and then begin to do the price inquiry to confirm that the system is fully functional and operational. So now we can see that the register is booted up. We go ahead and press it a couple times just to confirm. We see again there's the receipt with the Target logo, so we know that that's good. So now we need to go ahead and do a price inquiry. So we're going to go ahead and press price inquiry. We press that key. It shows us the price inquiry item here. We grab an item from the shelf in front of the register just to do a price check. We're going to go ahead and scan the breath savers. We're going to flip it over, take the hand scanner, and it works. So we're going to press the K8 key to clear it out. We're going to take the item again. We're going to press the price inquiry key one more time, and we're going to scan it with the flatbed scanner, and it comes up and it shows to work. At this point, all we need to do now is replace the front place plate, complete the point of sale GPD check sheet for this register, and we're good with this register. This presentation is used for training purposes only. For the most current and up-to-date information, please go to https://collaborate.computecom.com/target/bund302017/forms/all-items.aspx, or please visit the Google Drive located at https://drive.google.com/drive/folders 0B_0BVKOPU QRMC S13NU92TKQ5DKK. For additional information or support while on site, please contact the Project Support Desk at 1-866-774-4273 option 1, or reach the Target Rollout Room at 612-307-5327. Thank you for viewing this presentation.